Hey guys, today we're looking at this ANKER Nano 7-in-1 USB-C hub. First of all, the HDMI port allows for non-compromised image quality, 4K, and the other ports that we have are USB-C, two USB 3.0 to 3.2 ports that are also high speed, a USB-C charging port, and there's also microSD and a standard SD card slots. Very nice looking and good quality. Has this extending cord, which is also great quality, and it's about 10 inches long. It's a pretty cool looking hub and works very well. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and have yourself a great day.